Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project curves, right? So as you can see, if you closely look to this curve, you cannot create this curve by the normal sketch or 3D sketch, right? So for creating this kind of curves, how to perform the sketch, how to take a reference, right? So I will take you through how to create this kind of complex curves. So go to the part. So there is an option. First, I will tell you in the features there is an option of a project curves, right? If you have the sketches, then you can just go to that. Let me show you. I'm creating one curve like a very complex curve, right? Okay, let's say this curve, and giving the dimension from the 120 and giving the dimension from the 120, right? So this kind of curve I'm having. Now I will explain you in very detail in the future videos as well. So it will be very basic for now. And on the other sketch, in the top view, this was the front view, right? And this is the top view. It is like a combining the curves, right? So in the top view, I will sketch. So I will do normal 2. I will select something like that. Or you can just make it a very complex so you can understand better. Right. So these two curves I have, right? No matter at what distance you are drawing or how much dimension you are doing. Now, if you want to replicate this and this, so it will come like this. If you have studied the engineering graphics, you can understand very well. This plane and this plane, both projection will come and it will create one project curve, right? Let me show you project curve, and you can just do sketch on sketch, one sketch, two sketch. So as you can see, one 3D curve is created right here. For your better understanding, I will just convert this into entity for a sketch. So as you can see, this is a 3D curve which I cannot draw by 3D sketch or 2D sketch, right? It will be very difficult for me to draw this kind of curve. So if you look closely from the front side, it will be like that, whatever I've drawn in the 2D sketch. And if you closely look from the top side, it will be like that, whatever 2D sketch. So as you can see, this is the 3D projection of both curves. Now, I will explain you in the next video how to implement that in drawing one car or very drawing complex geometries, right? If you are drawing a mouse or something complex like a gamepad, right? For that kind of geometries, you can use the project curves. And yeah, that's all for the video. Keep sharing, keep learning. This is how you can do project curves, right?